Dear students, today we are studying about past the hour or to the hour. Past the hour or to the hour. Past means after. To means to something. Okay. Past means if it is in Malayalam, past means കഴിഞ്ഞ്. Or to means lake something. Okay. I will explain it. Okay. So some basic things you have to know. You know the clock 12, 6, 3, 9, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, so imagine the hour hand is on 1, okay, so if our minute hand is on 12, we will read as 1 o'clock, isn't it? The hour hand is on 1 and the minute hand is on 12, we will read it as what? 1 o'clock. So when this minute hand moves to the 1, it is 1 5, isn't it? The minute hand moves to the 1, that is second hand moves and it's become 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5, okay, then 1 10 1 15, okay, this is the thing. If the minute hand is on 3, 6 and 9, we will read it as what? A quarter, half and a 3/4. Okay, like that we know how it is becoming the quarter. You can see that this is a circle. Okay, if in the circle, if we are dividing it in 4 parts. Okay, this is a what? 1 by this part is. This is we are dividing into 4 parts. Okay. This is a 1 by 4 of this one, isn't it? This is the 2 by 4, isn't it? This part we will write as 1, 2. 2 by 4 of this one, isn't it? 2 by 4. Okay. And what we will read as this one? This is 3 by 4. Okay. So first part, this one we will read it as what? 1 by 4. And this part, this is read as 2 by 4. And this is what? 3 by 4. Fully this means 4 by 4. Okay, so 1 by 4 means actually you can see that this minute hand start from here and complete this quarter rotation, quarter kal, okay, kal bhagam, quarter, and this is quarter, and what is this one? This is the half portion, isn't it? It complete the half of its rotation, isn't it? This is 3/4, okay, of its rotation. Means if you are dividing a circle into 4 parts, it is completed its 3 parts. This is 2 parts and this is 1 part. Understand? If it is in a circle, if you are dividing the circle, this clock is just like a circle, isn't it? It completes a quarter rotation. This is quarter of this rotation and this is half, isn't it? Pagdi. This is quarter. Understand? This is quarter. This is half, isn't it? And this is 3/4. Okay, this is complete rotation. So that is the thing. If we know this that idea, we can see that the quarter of this clock is on where? The quarter is on this clock is on where? It is on where it is. If the hour hand is on 11 and when it is reaching on 3, we can see that it is quarter past 3. Quarter past 11. Sorry, here quarter past 11 we can see that. That means 11 മണി കഴിഞ്ഞ് 15 മിനിറ്റ് or കാൽ 11:15. 11:15. We can read as 11:15 or we can say it as quarter past 11. Understand? Our hand is on 11, so we will write as quarter past 11. 11:15 or quarter past. Quarter means it completes its quarter rotation. Quarter rotation. Okay. Like that, if it is reaching on 6, when it is reaching on 6, how we will read it as? It completes its half portion, isn't it? This is, it starts from 12 and it completes its half, means it reach on where? 6. Okay, so start from 12, it completes its half part. Okay, half part means it will called as if the hour hand is on 11, we will read as half past 11. 11 മണി കഴിഞ്ഞ് അല്ല 11:30 മലയാളം. Okay, 11, half past 11, or we can say it as 11. 6 means what? 1 means 5 minutes, 2 means 10 minutes, 3 means 15, 20, 25. This is what? 30. 11:30. Half past 11. Okay. Or what will be this one? It completes its 3/4. Isn't it 3/4 part? Okay, that means quarter, half, 3/4. 3/4 means 3/4 parts of its rotation. Okay, so we can see that this one we can read as it is, what is the time? Then 30, 35, 40, 45. So our hand is on 11, 11:45 we will write, and we can say that this is 45 minutes past 11. 45 minutes past 11. That is longer method we can say. 45 minutes. Here also we can say that 15 minutes past 11. Or here you can say 30 minutes past 11. Or it is half past 11. Or it is quarter past 11. Many ways we can read it. Okay. So this is, we can read write this is 11:45. Or we can say that 45 minutes past 40 minutes past 11. 45 minutes past 11. Or you can see that how many minutes need to reach 12. This is 11:45. Now time is 11:45. Okay, so it need to a quarter to complete what for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, that means 5, 10, 15 minutes. This 11 o'clock will become what 12 o'clock, isn't it? 11 isn't it? 11 o'clock become 12 o'clock. So how many minutes it needs to go? 15 more minutes. 15 minutes means what? Quarter, isn't it? So we can say that 11:45, what? With any 45. If it is 11:45, we can say that quarter to 12. That means what is the meaning? 15 minutes only needed to 12. 12 മണിയാകാൻ 15 മിനിറ്റ് മതി. Okay, 11:45 minutes, quarter to 12. What will be 10:45? We can say that 45 minutes past 10. 45 minutes past 10 മണി കഴിഞ്ഞ് 45 മിനിറ്റ്. Or we can say that how many minutes to quarter, a quarter, or 50 minutes to. Here quarter to 12 means we can say that 50 minutes to 12. That is also correct. 50 minutes we will read as quarter, 30 minutes we will read as half. So here you can say that quarter to, what is the next hour? Quarter 2 means like next hour you have to say. This is 10. So quarter to what? 11. Or how many minutes to 11? 15 minutes to 11. Many ways you can read. 15 minutes. How many more minutes needed? 50 minutes. 2 means next hour you have to stay. Past means the hour what is the given that you have to stay. 10 minutes past 11 means 11:10. 20 minutes past 11 means 11:20. Okay. But 45 minutes to or 25 minutes to something means next hour you have to say. 25 minutes കൂടി 25 minutes കൂടി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ next hour ആവും. Okay, understand? So this is the thing. So past hour, quarter hour, past, and quarter 2. These three things. 2 means next hour you have to say. Past means the what is the hour given. How many minutes that after that hour we have to say. Okay, so that is the things. So for example, if it is quarter past 10 means what we can say 10:15. Quarter past 10 means 10:15. 15 minutes past 10. Or half past 3 is what? 3:30. 3:30. Half past 3 means 3:30. You can also draw the clock and write this one. Or quarter to 9. Quarter to 9 means what is the 9 മണിയിൽ ആകെ 15 മിനിറ്റ് വേണം. So what is the time? 8:45. Understand? Quarter to 9 means it is what now? 8:45. Understand? Quarter to 9 means 8:45. So this one only you make a confusion. One more example. Quarter to 5. Quarter to 5 means what is the 5 മണിയാകാൻ 15 മിനിറ്റ് കൂടി വേണം. So what is the hour? 4:45. After 50 minutes it become 5 o'clock. But what is given? Quarter to 5 means 4:45. So that's all. So this one you must know how to write. Okay. So 5 minutes past 5 minutes past. For example, this one quarter and a half is like that. 5 minutes past that one we already learned. 5 minutes past 5 means 7:5, isn't it? and 10 minutes past 3 means 3, 10. 10 minutes past 7 means what we can say, 7, 10. So this is very easy. 7 is the hour, 10 minutes means you can write here. So that one you can easily write and okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.